Hello everyone, welcome. First of all, let me give you my introduction. My name is Amit Kumar Agarwal. I have completed my CCI in routing, switching, service provider and data center domain. My total work experience is around 12 plus years. So here in this lecture we are going to discuss about the bootstrapping process of the APIC controller as well as the fabric discovery process. So let's suppose you are doing a greenfield implementation and you got a new box uh, of the hardware and you want to boot up the APIC first in the environment, and you want to connect it with leaf switches, and then leaf switches will connect to the spine switches, right? So what all parameter you have to set when you bootstrap ping of your APIC? So the first thing is fabric name. You have to provide the fabric name according to your convenience or as per your customer requirement. Then you have to assign the number of controllers. Minimum it should be 3. Then you have to provide the controller ID. If they are the part of the same pod, then it will always be 1. Then you have to provide the name of the APIC, that is APIC 1. Then you have to provide the tunnel endpoint address pool. This address pool is required because whenever a new device will come up in the fabric, it will get the IP address from this tap pool. So you have to make sure that this pool should have enough IP addresses so that whenever a new leaf spine comes in the picture, they add in the environment, it will take the IP from this pool. Then you have to provide the multicast address pool and then infrastructure VLAN ID, right? So this is the information you have to provide in all 3 APIC when you are going to power them on first time. Yeah, this is a one-time configuration, but this should be, the tap address pool, multicast address pool as well as the infrastructure VLAN should be same in all 3 APIC. If they are not same, then your APIC will not come up in sync, and they will create problems in your environment. So to be these information are very specific, so before going to put them inside the APIC, please make sure that you are putting the right information. Okay, so when you've done this, then fabric discovery process comes in the picture. So what is the fabric discovery process? It's a automatic process, means when APIC powered on, and after that you powered on leaf or spine, then what will happen, through LLDP protocol, APIC discover the first leaf. So you register the first leaf. For registering the leaf, you have to provide the node ID and the name, right? When you provide the node ID and the name of any of the leaf switch, it will assign it a tap address from the pool which you have configured here. If you see 10.0.0.0/16 in our case. Yeah. Now once this leaf is registered, it will use LLDP to discover the other spines. So let's suppose in our case, we first boot APIC 1, then APIC 1 discover leaf 1, then leaf 1 will discover spine 1 and spine 2, right? And then the spine responsibility to discover the other leaves, like leaf 2, in this case leaf 3, leaf 4. This way the complete fabric will set up, and this is a very interesting and automatic process. You just need to assign the ID, node ID and the name. So from where you can assign the node ID and the name? So you have to go to fabric membership, and then through the serial number you can identify, okay, this is my leaf switch, this is leaf 1, then right click the switch and register it, right? So this, the fabric discovery you will get chance whenever there is a new device added in the environment, but bootstrapping of the APIC is a one-time process. When you are doing the implementation the very first time, then only you get a chance to configure these parameters. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.